Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a purge valve on a Ram 1500. First, locate the purge valve, typically found near the intake manifold. You'll need basic tools such as a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns and ensure safety. Now, let's remove the old valve. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connector. It usually has a small tab you press. Next, detach the two hose connections. These might be secured with clamps, so a pair of pliers could be helpful. Finally, unbolt the purge valve from its mounting bracket, typically with 1 or 2 bolts. Installing the new purge valve is essentially the reverse of removal. First, position the new valve and secure it to the mounting bracket with the bolts you removed earlier. Then, firmly reconnect the two hose lines, ensuring they are seated properly and any clamps are tightened. Lastly, plug in the electrical connector until you hear a click, confirming it's secure. With the new purge valve installed, start your Ram 1500 and listen for any unusual noises or check for leaks around the connections. If your check engine light was on, you might need to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes using an OBDROMAN2 scanner. This completes the replacement process. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.